Hi everyone, and welcome. I'm so happy to be with you today. I recognize there might be questions surrounding the ways your child learns best, and let me share with you a little secret. Play is the key to your child's future. So, to me, when I say play, I mean more than just fun. For a little child, play is their job. Play is the way they learn to be in the world and are least afraid of making mistakes. They are only learning. Play can be thought of as active experimentation. They choose it, they lead it, and of course, they are entirely absorbed in the doing. Play is their lesson built in. If you see your child engaged in the task at hand, that is learning in action. So, what does it mean to learn through play? It's the approach we use that takes that powerful drive to play as our first way to deliver learning. We're not stopping the play, we're adding the learning. Rather than having a dry lesson, we may create a post office where children create signs and mail. The child thinks they're playing. We know they are strengthening their literacy skills and sorting skills. We as educators are the stage manager. We set the scene, provide the right props, and gently usher the action to the learning goals. What makes play so effective? Experts agree. Play is the blueprint for brain growth. The thinker Piaget. I say to families that the child is a little scientist. When they repeatedly check to see how high they can stack blocks, they are helping to build their mental muscle for problem solving and engineering. The talker Vygotsky. Vygotsky showed us that when children talk and interact, they learn best. When they play pretend, they are stretching their language and thinking to another level. We call this their zone of proximal development, the ability to master a skill with a peer or adult in which they cannot do alone. The feeler Erikson play allows children to explore the world by trying out what might be big or scary within a safe way. Play allows children to process, respond, and manage their feelings, as well as build the confidence to manage real life. We promote different types of play to develop social skills in small increments. Playing independently, this is directed time that fosters attention and independence. Playing next to, this is sitting next to another child. It helps them feel comfortable being in the same space before sharing the same idea. Playing with, now we are on to true teamwork. They've agreed to an end goal together, such as building a big fort. This is where they learn to share, negotiate, and find solutions to their disagreements. All necessary life skills we hope they develop. Play is not just a lesson, it is a process that builds and nurtures your child together. They are called the 5 learning areas. Physical development. The climbing and cutting paper action help develop the strength and control to write and move fluidly. Social and emotional involvement, with turn-taking and role-play supports developing empathy, patience, and resilience. Thinking cognitive. If children plan a structure or try to solve a puzzle, they will encourage the development of problem-solving and logical reasoning. Communication skills. Making stories and applying new words, such as magnify or launch, develop the skills for talking and communication. Play is powerful because it helps all these skills come together to make learning stick. How do we ensure your child is meeting goals through play? We are teaching through play every minute. We set the stage, we set the room up with invites to play. For example, if we place notebooks and clipboards in the construction area, we can encourage them to keep writing like they would in the real world. We ask the right questions. We do not jump in and fix a tower that comes tumbling down when a child is creating. Instead, we ask, what happened? What went wrong? How can we make this stronger? This encourages the child to be the problem solver. We track the learning. We take quick photos and jot down notes about what your child is mastering through their play. This allows us to plan the next intentional learning challenge they embody. I feel assured that as your child is engaged play, they are doing wonderful work. They are learning how to think, how to solve problems, how to manage their feelings, and how to talk about their thinking. Play is the best investment you can make in your child's future success. Thank you for trusting us with your child's education. Please let us know if you ever have any questions. Play on!